Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 500 horsepower engine for our customer's 1969 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. We have a double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Engine block is painted the red with the brass freeze plugs. Correct oil pan for the 69 C10 with the new balancer, timing cover, chrome timing cover, Chevrolet script black valve covers with the matching 14-inch air cleaner. We have the aluminum intake manifold, Holley Sniper EFI 2 fuel injection on there. We'll set all the settings on the Holley Sniper EFI. The plug and play ready to go. We have the MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor set in place. Real important on the 69 C10 for firewall clearance, the small cap distributor. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy. High torque mini starter on there, aligned and set, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the external fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure to 58.5 psi for the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system. We have the heavy duty Russell fuel line, all the loop clamps going down to the gas filter here. This is the black Raptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressors on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow reverse rotation black water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the Holley Sniper EFI menu screen up. We set the idle. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969, family-operated business here. So there you have it, our 383 Chevy 500 horsepower engine, the Holley Sniper fuel injection with the black Raptor pulley kit for the 69 C10 truck. Thanks for watching.